few things to think about when you're looking at purchasing your first wakeboard. So I have a couple wakeboards here. One is a ladies board, the Quarter Till Midnight. It's going to be a continuous and 3-stage rocker combination. You can see from the two different boards, this board on top will have a slighter rocker, so it won't be as intense, it won't give you as much pop off the wake. It'll be a little more controlled feel. This one on the bottom, this does have a 3-stage rocker that is a little bit more intense. It's also a stiffer board. The point of that is to snap back quicker and give you more pop off the wake. It'll definitely be a little more difficult board to ride, but will give you more air and more ability to do tricks and stuff like that when you get into it. Another difference between these two boards is going to be the fin. So you notice this Quarter Till Midnight will have 1-inch fins. The board on the bottom will have 0.8-inch asymmetrical fins. That'll allow you to break free a little easier, do board slides, 180s on the water and such. Over here we have boots. So this Quarter Till Midnight will come packaged with a pair of open-toed boots. Those boots will be good from a size range of 3 or 4 sizes. The option on the board for the bottom, this one board, will be closed-toed boots that you could purchase. These will be good for about a size and a half. They're definitely going to be more comfortable. They're going to be more form-fitting to your foot, and they're actually heat moldable. I love these boots just because they provide that kind of sense of comfort like a snowboard boot would, where these are definitely going to be better for a larger range of people. So if it's going to be just your board, you might think about a pair of these closed-toed boots, but if it's definitely going to be for a number of people, good to get these open-toed boots and fit a variety or a range of sizes there.